Hello, my name is Santiago Nieto, and I'm making a video application for the NYU Master's Program for the Marriage and Counseling. And at the moment, I'm 24 years old. I'm about to graduate with my bachelor's from Florida International University in psychology. And previously, before that, I graduated from Broward College with honors. And hopefully, I'll be graduating with honors as well from FIU. So a little bit more about myself before I go on with the application. I consider myself to be the kind of individual where I love interacting with people. I love talking to people. I love getting to know them. It's been in my nature just to be able to get to know somebody and just try to create some kind of intimate relationship. So when it got to the point of like choosing what career I wanted to go into, I always felt like some psychology, something that drew me towards wanting to understand how the human mind works. And shortly after, I took some courses in Broward College, some general psych courses, and I fell in love with it. And I kept pursuing it, and now I'm over here. I'm about to graduate my bachelor's in psychology, and I can definitely say that it's benefited me a lot in my career and my personal life choices. I know I've gotten to learn more about myself, and this is the reason why I want to pursue this field, is so I can learn more about myself and learn more about the field of psychology in order for me to be able to help those around. Because I've definitely been in a position in my life where I've received a lot of help, where I felt a lot lonely and I didn't really have the answers that I was looking for, and I just felt a little bit lost and confused. But I had help from people that were able to help me, guide me in the way, and I really appreciated their energy. I really appreciated their empathy. I really appreciated that they were able to put themselves in my shoes, and it's a lot of good things that I've been able to receive that I feel like I should reciprocate back to the world. I know that one thing I always try to tell myself is that before I leave this planet, I want to make sure that I try to leave it better than how I came into it. And I feel like by pursuing my degree in psychology, that's going to allow me to make that possible, considering that I may be able to open up my own practice, work for a mental health agency, or work with people that deal with drug addiction problems, considering that I myself have been in problems with drugs in the past before. So I feel very, very blessed to be in the opportunity that I am, to be pursuing the education that I have. And yeah, other than that, I've just been I would consider myself to be a very hardworking student. Like if I try to be very competitive, but not for me to be better than others, but just for me to be able to know that I'm the hardest worker in the room. Not that I want to feel superior. I don't feel that anybody should feel superior nor inferior to one another. We're all human beings. We're here for the same reason. And I feel like honestly, at the end of the day, I feel that's what really drives me, is for me to be able to just have a meaningful relationship with the people around me. And I feel like that's really what keeps me going. It's just by having good set of friends, having good mentality, and having a good purpose in my life, by me being able to give back to the world. So I hope that you take my application into consideration. I promise that if I get accepted, I'm willing to put in the effort to research. I've had several internships as well at one at Behavior Aid Solutions, where I was able to interact with the patients in psychosocial rehabilitation. I've also participated in a lot of rehab meetings, since I had a drug addiction problem myself, and I've been a sponsor several times. So I know how it is to be able to be in the position of being able to of having somebody come to you and ask for guidance. Not that you give them the answers, but you just guide them towards where they want to be. So yeah, that's a little bit about me, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you take it into consideration, and I wish you a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.